If your Epic Games account has been deactivated and you want to get back in, this video will walk you through the full reactivation process step by step. We're going to cover exactly where to sign in, what to click if your account is eligible, how to confirm the restore request, and how to finish any security verification so you can start using your account again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games sign-in page. Once the page loads, enter the email address and password connected to your Epic Games account. Make sure you're using the correct login details because you need to access the account before you can reactivate it. After signing in, Epic Games will check your account status. If your account is eligible for reactivation, you should see an option that says Reactivate Account. This is the key step because not every account will show this option unless it can be restored. If you see it, go ahead and click Reactivate Account. Next, Epic Games will ask you to confirm that you really want to restore the account. This is an important safeguard, so take a moment to review the prompt and then confirm the action. Once you approve it, the reactivation process will move forward. In some cases, you may also need to complete a security verification step. This could be a verification code sent to your email address or another security check to make sure it's really you. If you receive a code, open your inbox, copy the code, and enter it exactly as shown on the screen. If the code doesn't arrive right away, give it a minute and check your spam or junk folder just in case. Once the verification is complete, Epic Games will finish restoring your account. At that point, your account should be reactivated and ready to use normally again. You can sign out and sign back in if needed, but in most cases, you'll be able to continue straight into your account after the process is complete. If you ran into any issues, double check that you used the correct email, that your account is actually eligible for reactivation, and that you completed every confirmation step. Sometimes the process can take a moment to update, so a quick refresh or another login attempt may help. And that's it. You've now learned how to reactivate your Epic Games account and get back to using it again. If this video helped you out, please tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.